After 2 years of no communication, Kris Aquino is finally on good terms with her kuya, former President Noynoy Aquino. Kris and Noynoy's reconciliation happened at the wedding of their niece, Nina. Nina is the daughter of their sister, Pinky Abellada. On Instagram, Kris showed herself approaching Noynoy during the mass. It was witnessed by her sons Bimbi and Joshua. In an Instagram post on her birthday, Kris revealed to one of her followers she hasn't been in touch with her brother for 2 years.